Hi, I'm Ben and welcome to my YouTube channel, Recipes Around the World. I'm the creator of Recipes Around the World and I invite you to visit my blog at recipesaroundtheworld.com for a rich selection of food and beverage recipes from around the world. Now, this video is a part of my bartending series where I'll be walking you guys through 11 categories of drinks in the bartending universe. And this video that we're going to do today falls under the highball drink category. And the drink we're going to be making today are Madras. Now, a little history or background information on Madras. Madras allegedly get their name from the Madras clothing fabric or clothing pattern, which is inspired or is native to the southern Indian city of Chennai in India. So just a little context for that. And the reason for that pattern is that a lot of Madras patterns have this reddish pinkish tone, which is the color that this drink also takes on. So that's just a little background information on this drink. This drink is a combination of vodka, cranberry juice, and orange juice. And it's actually a remix or a spin-off of the Cape Cod, right? The Cape Cod is vodka and cranberry juice. The Madra is pretty much the same thing, just with orange juice added in and with a lime garnish. So again, as with most highball drinks, we're going to be making it in a 97-ounce glass filled with ice. We're going to add the appropriate garnish to this. In this case, it's going to be a slice of lime for this drink with a straw, and again, like I said, with ice. So let's get right to it, right? So to start off, we always start off by filling our glass with ice. And for this drink, like I've said in my other videos, I'm going to be using a free pourer and a measuring glass to sort out my liquor base. This is what I mean by a free pourer. There are measuring pourers out there that have a ball in, as I've said in my other videos, where you can gauge the specific measurement of the alcohol. For this video, I'm going to be using a free pourer, but I will be using a measuring glass. As you can see here, all highball drinks get 1 ounce of the liquor base. So we're going to pour 1 ounce. We're going to use equal bits of OJ and cranberry juice. And just to make sure it's even, I usually pour at the same time. As you can see as I pour, just what I said in the beginning of the video, this pinkish reddish base, the Madras color, as you can see there. We add in our straw, and to top it off, we add in a slice of lime as the appropriate garnish. And ladies and gentlemen, this is your Madras. Great refreshing drink, has both OJ and cranberry juice, so you're getting a good shot of vitamins while you get a little feel good with the vodka as well. Great drink for evening cocktail parties, sitting outside by the lake, by the shore. Great summer drink, very relaxing evening drink. Just a great drink overall. So I encourage you to try it out by yourself at home. I hope you enjoyed this drink recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel, support my efforts, and please check out my blog again at recipesaroundtheworld.com. I hope you enjoyed this Madras. Again, I'm Ben, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.